the mystery behind horses tapping their hooves. Have you ever wondered why horses tap their hooves? It's a fascinating behavior that has intrigued horse lovers and scientists alike. Hoof tapping is not just a random act. For horses, it serves multiple purposes, each as interesting as the next. One common reason is communication. Horses often tap their hoofs to signal to other horses or even humans. It's a nonverbal way of expressing feelings like impatience, eagerness, or sometimes even discomfort. When horses are restless, you might notice that hoof tapping becomes more frequent. It's their way of letting out pent-up energy. Interestingly, hoof tapping can also be a response to environmental stimuli. For example, a horse might tap its hoof when it hears a sudden noise. In some cases, hoof tapping can indicate underlying health issues. If a horse taps its hoof excessively, a vet visit might be necessary. Training and discipline can sometimes influence this behavior. Horses trained for specific tasks might tap their hooves as part of their learned responses. It's also a part of natural horse behavior. In the wild, horses use hoof tapping to sense vibrations and detect predators. While it might seem like a minor act, hoof tapping can offer valuable insights into a horse's emotional and physical state. For horse owners, paying close attention to this behavior can improve understanding and care for their animals. So next time you see a horse tapping its hoof, take a moment to observe. You might discover a whole new level of communication. Understanding hoof tapping not only enriches your bond with horses but also opens doors to deeper connections and better care.